President Mnangagwa sang praises for the late decorated Zimbabwe National Army Artillery Commander retired Major General Herbert Chingono at his burial at National Heroes Acre in Harare. A heavy slap in the face for Vice President Chiwenga, whom the deceased had a very low opinion of as a soldier. Sedapina mashikubdanyi kwa chizi Mnangagwa hails the late Chingono. A hard slap in the face for Chiwenga, not was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipna na mubdanyi kwa mchinzi. Chingono's professional disdain of Chiwenga was reviewed in the American 2010 WikiLeaks cables. In his conversation with former United States Ambassador to Zimbabwe, Charles Ray, a similar conversation captured in WikiLeaks between Ray and the late retired Major General Fidelis Sadc, Chingono's equally distinguished colleague, resulted in the commander being denied hero status when he died in 2021. Sadc died on July 19, 2021, at 64, and was buried at his farm in Ozi, about 60 kilometers from Mtare. He was also a decorated army commander who played a major role in Zimbabwe's liberation struggle and post-independence military affairs. In a calculated political move to spite Chiwenga and add salt to injury, Mnangagwa genuinely hailed Chingono with tributes during his triple burial with Cosmas Chiriga and Elias Mbabawonde, all veterans of the liberation struggle, at Heroes Acre in Harare earlier yesterday, right in front of his deputy. His tributes were genuine, yet simultaneously politically expedient. In his address, Mnangagwa said, "I now turn to the life of a typical soldier, commander and academic major general, retired Herbert Chingono, born on 29 January 1958 in Rukweza village in Manicaland. Our departed national hero set a high standard of service through his sacrificial service to our beloved motherland Zimbabwe. His leadership was forged in the classrooms of Nyazura Adventist Mission, where in 1976 he arranged a strike which caught the attention of freedom fighters for recruitment." Fellow mourners, comrades and friends, the medals accorded to Major General Herbert Chingono depict chapters of a life lived in total loyalty and patriotism to our beloved motherland, Zimbabwe, our national hero and grand officer of the Zimbabwe Order of Merit received with the distinction is the commandant of the Zimbabwe Staff College and the Dean of Social Sciences at the Zimbabwe National Defense University. Doma shokana kudanyo kwa pangwa ile pina comment section medu za fungu enyi motu diva msere pichiri kwa ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell.